What does the silver and gold symbol in the profile mean? Who are these pioneers? And can you become one? Stay tuned, I'll be back in a few seconds. This video requires basic knowledge of using Komoot. Hello, my name is Thomas from Hartz-Bergwald, your #1 Komoot help channel, and here is my personal advice to you. You can find more Komoot tutorials and assistance videos in the Hartz-Bergwald channel. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date. They are, for example, scientists or navigators. Schliemann, Darwin, Lilienthal, Gagarin, or Columbus and Cook. At some point, someone does something for the first time or discovers a place first. In Komoot, there are also pioneers. Today, I'll introduce you to this feature and show you how to become a pioneer in Komoot. First, I will explain the basic principle, and then we will look at the overviews of the pioneers and finally look how to score to become a successful pioneer yourself. Komoot rewards explorers in a rank system called pioneers. Whenever you propose a new highlight, rate an existing highlight, make your own recommendations about highlights, add pictures to them, or rate other users' content, you earn points at the Pioneers Club. Komoot has created leaderboards for all selectable activities in each region of the world where our users are listed. The leader of each list may call himself a pioneer, which is symbolized by the golden badge in the profile. The following users can tell themselves experts, which can also be seen in the profile by a silver badge. Let's take a look at the rankings. The overview of the pioneers can be found directly in the main menu. For this, you must already have collected points in this system. In the overview map, you will be shown a pin at all regions in which you were active. Through the filter, you can narrow down the activities and also search for specific regions. Below the map, you will find your own expertise. Here are all your achievements and your ranking in various lists indicated. You will receive suggestions where to contribute to the pioneers, and at the bottom of the page you will find your most valuable highlights, your best photos and your best tips. At the club tab you can have a look to the most successful pioneers. You will be amazed at how much Komoot users are getting around the world. At the Contribute tab, you get suggestions for highlights, which you can rate or provide with new photos or tip. This will increase your points in the Pioneers ranking. If you choose your own or another user's profile, you can click the Pioneer or Expert badge to see the summary of all users' achievement. So, how can you collect points for the pioneers? This information can also be found in the summary of a user achievement or in your own profile. Just click the question mark and the Pioneers FAQs of Komoot will be open. You can also visit the page directly by the address komoot.com/pioneers.faq. Here you will find all actions how you can collect points for the Pioneers ranking. This not includes only your own highlights, recommendations and pictures, but also ratings you make for other user content and the ratings your posts get from the Komoot community. All added points will result in your score for an activity like hiking and cycling and so on in a region. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it gets you closer to a Komoot expert, please rate my video. Are there any questions, tips or criticism? Please use the comments. I'm looking forward to your feedback. Announcements and information about the channel can be found directly on the channel page at the Community tab. I am Thomas from Harzer Bergwald. See you in the next video.